Dear students, in the last class I have given some information about the calculation of mode in uh, individual observation and also in case of discrete series. But in case of continuous series, I will give you some information how to calculate the mode. You just observe the data that is in continuous series, x and corresponding frequencies. So the x values are 200 to 300, 300 to 400, that will continues up to 900 to 1000, and frequencies, the corresponding frequencies are given. So when we are calculating the mode for the continuous series, primarily we have to find out the model class first, then we have to calculate the mode. So when we find the model class, so in this observation 40 is the highest frequency and its corresponding x value is the model class. Model class, that is equal to 600 to 700. So we have taken the model class as 600 to 700 because the highest frequency is 40 and its corresponding x value is considered as the model class. So highest frequencies corresponding x value. So then we have to calculate the mode. So formula for calculation of mode is z equals L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So the highest frequencies, that is taken as F1, and the preceding frequency of the highest frequency we will denote that as F0, and succeeding frequencies of the highest frequency we will denote it as F2. I will repeat that once again. So highest frequency is denoted as F1. So preceding frequency of the highest frequency is taken as F0 and succeeding frequency of the highest frequency is taken as F2. And so we will take that as L is equal to 600. L means that is the lower limit of the model class, that is the value we have to taken as L. So the lower limit of the model class is 600. L is equal to 600. F1, that is equal to 40. F0 is equal to 34. F2 is equal to 18. So and the next one is C, is the class width of the model class, that is 600 to 700, that is the class width is 100. C is 100. So that is equal to L is 600 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 34 divided by 2 into F1 is 40 minus F0 is 34 minus F2 is 18 into class width is 100. That is equal to 600 plus 40 minus 34. So when we subtract this one, we will get 6 divided by 40 into 2, that is 80. So 34 and 18 both are negative values. We have to add these two, that is 18 plus 4, that is 12, 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 52 into 100. That is equal to 600 plus 6 divided by 80 minus 52, so that is 28 into 100. 600 plus 6 divided by 28, you just divide that one, that is nothing but 0.214 into 100 divided by 600 plus 0.214 into 100. 600 plus 0.214 into 100, when we multiply these two, we will get 21.4. Add these two, we will get 621.4. We will get 621.4.